Welcome back to my channel, y'all, and we're finna dive into this gem plant more in depth. Alright, because this is tied to the gang house, so we're gonna show you what you're going to do after you finish collecting all of your gems or your essence. Alright, so you want to make sure you do this until it says you cannot do it anymore, because you can only collect 50 of these. Alright, before it tells you this, you have to bring the essence into the storage at the gang house. That's when you want to start this rock runner job, after you have enough essence. Alright, but you don't want to start that job by yourself. And if you go into gang tutorials, you'll see why, but I'm going to explain to you as well. Alright, so you want to bring your essence here. Alright, you can deposit it here. I have 31 right now. I'm going to deposit here, and you can see we can have a bunch, so you can keep going back, and other gang members as well are going to be added. This machine, we have some going, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to collect this, and I'm going to bring it to this machine that already has some going. All right, that's going to add some and make more rocks. All right, so keep loading it. It can hold up to 250. All right, once you have rocks, enough rocks, you bring it here. All right, it says my inventory is empty because I don't have any rocks on me, but there's 50 rocks in the safe right now. All right, so that's what you got to do. But once everything is ready, get your team and everybody ready, and you start this here. All right, and it's very important that you use a team, because if the leader, a person that starts the thing, dies, the person that starts a job, if he dies, you lose all the product. All right, so you can see me and my gang members here, and we are preparing to load up. I've already got my invite. There's 4 of us, and they're preparing themselves as well. We're gonna go out, and we're going to do the drop-offs and make a bunch of 100 points, a bunch of cash, and XP. All right, so this is us coming together, because everybody was loading essence all day. So it's 20 drops. I fast forward it to the last drop. This is us doing the last drop off, and we're going to cancel. You can continue if you have more rocks at the gang house. You can go and load up again, but we're going to cancel. And you can see over 2,100 points, cash, so on and so forth. So that's the big deal and the full construct of the gem plant. Now I wanted to throw this in to show you guys how to get tokens and to withdraw cash. All right, so to the left you see get tokens. You click on that. At the top left you see get tokens and exchange tokens. All right, but to get tokens you can move the lever right here to where you want, or you can click on the number and manually put in the number that you want. All right, now to exchange, just click on the top left to exchange. All right, that's gonna give you cash for your tokens. So now I'm gonna put in $25,000, and that's going to give me $250,000. So I put in 25,000 tokens and got $250,000. All right, so the next thing I want to talk about is the stamina. The stamina has been increased in the game. If you guys don't know about it, it has been increased in the open world, not in the, I don't think it is in the battles, but in the open world you can see that I've been running for a while there. All right, another thing that has been updated is the sound on the cars. If you have a supercar, if you have a legendary car and up, I think it makes this sound when you press the gas and you release the gas. It makes this funny sound, and I think it's pretty weird, bro, because if you listen, you can see it's making a bunch of noise just by me tapping on it. So I don't know what you guys think about that. Another thing I notice is the sound conking out or knocking out. The sound is knocking out, bro. I'm not hearing the engine. I'm not hearing the revs. I gotta turn the car off. When I turn it on, you're gonna hear that it was actually quiet. So that's something that I noticed as well. Alright, but we have some great things coming as well, guys. They teased this on their TikTok. It's a limo G-Wagon. Alright, and this is the clip. Alright, so they teased that on their thing. We also seen this on their TikTok. It's a new skin. Pretty cool. Tattoos, all that, man. There's some more stuff. New cars that was teased. So look out for some old schools, new skin, man. Also, this was spotted. This is a Murcielago. This is a different kind of Lamborghini that is not in the game. That is not an Aventi. And so look out for that. And as well, we all know the bikes. We didn't get them as yet, but they did say to look for these new rides in-game events and on the official website, man. So maybe it's gonna come in an event. I don't know, man. I did take this photo too because I've seen a few cars here that I've never seen before. So maybe they are new. You can let me know down in the comment section if these cars are new, or maybe I just missed out on those. Another thing you guys can do is start your own activity. All right, if your fame level is high enough, you can create an activity, car meets, mansion parties, whatever. All right, for other players to do. So you can do this without an admin. But that's it for this video, man. I'm out.